Hi, in this lesson we're going to talk about Linux file system directories. Before starting the topic, let's know that what is Linux kernel. As you see on the slide, basically the kernel is the core of operating system. The Linux kernel is a free and open source, Unix-like operating system. The Linux kernel is the core of the operating system and provides communication between software and hardware. So one of the main difference between Linux kernel and Windows kernel is that Linux kernel is open source based on Unix, but the Windows kernel is commercial. So as you see, we have hardware, kernel and software, CPU, memory, devices, kernel and applications, and kernel is center of hardware and software and makes communication between hardware and software. So let's see Linux file system directories. On the top, first come root directories, then binaries, boot, devices, etc means configuration files, home, libraries, libraries for 64-bit, media, mount, add-on application software package, process information, root, run, system binaries, service, system, temporal files, user utilities and application, and variable files. As the next lesson, we'll go inside of these directories and we'll try to know a little bit about them. So this is the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.